Regulatory demands and modern living make it increasingly difficult to provide effective acoustic performance in party floors. Traditional means of achieving this tend to be time-consuming, use multiple components, and are highly dependent on the quality of workmanship. Screedflo DB revolutionizes and simplifies delivery and installation, virtually eliminating waste on site. This, combined with acoustic performance, provides a modern solution for a modern market. Screedflo has entered into an agreement with James Jones, Boise and Mytech, three of the major joist suppliers in the UK, to develop a simple and effective way of achieving the building regulation requirements, whilst meeting modern health and safety and environmental expectations. This partnership gives you the confidence that you can choose the system that you need with a joist manufacturer of your choice, allowing you flexibility in your floor design and build. The Screedflo DB system should be installed once the building is weathertight. Ideally, any surfaces that penetrate the floor zone, such as soil and vent pipes, should also be in place so that they can be acoustically isolated from the floor structure. This early installation has the advantage that there's no plasterboard or other materials within the building that can be damaged during the installation process. The system consists of a high-quality compression-resistant foam, which is laid onto the usual chipboard or OSB structural deck, on top of which is placed a layer of FSC-certified moisture-resistant fiberboard. These layers are isolated from the wall structure by using a resilient edge strip. A 500-gauge polythene slip membrane is then put on top of this, onto which is poured 40 mm of Screedflo anhydrite screed. This floor can be used in timber frame, masonry build, or even renovation projects. It can be used on all types of residential floors, ranging from self-built houses, large apartment schemes, through to hotels and extra care facilities. Uniquely, Screedflo DB is not restricted by site distance from a static batching plant. The use of our own mobile batching plants ensures availability throughout the UK. The system is unique in having every component CE marked in its own right, every component being supplied by a single company, and with the whole system having received a TRADA Q mark. Screedflo is, in fact, the only screed in the country to have a CE mark for both the binder used and the batched screed. It is additionally planned that a robust detail will be introduced for the Screedflo DB system during 2008. Due to site logistics, while any size of scheme can be catered for, it would typically be broken down into phases that are suitable for the site build program. A typical size of phase would be somewhere in the region of 500 square meters at a time, which can be installed in approximately 3 to 4 days, which is significantly faster than alternative methods. Additionally, once the Screedflo is poured, it can usually be walked on after just 24 hours, depending on ambient conditions. The Screedflo DB floor is substantially shallow